Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy website builder. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you restore a GoDaddy website builder backup? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to restore a backup of your GoDaddy website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe one of them made some changes to your website that you don't like, so you need to restore a previous version. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoDaddy website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy website builder, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and restore a previous version, here on the top right, you're going to see these three options. Make sure you click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to scroll down until you see the section Site History. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the different options or versions of your GoDaddy website builder. So just scroll down until you see the one that you want to restore. So for example, this one right here, and then you're going to click on this blue restore button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you'll see that pop up saying restore complete. And now you can see we have a previous version of our GoDaddy website builder. Now, if you made a mistake with the restore, you can go back here to settings, same thing, site history, and then you can go ahead and go to a more recent version and restore. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to restore a previous version backup of your GoDaddy website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.